Welcome back, everyone, and welcome to our brand new lesson. Today's lesson is on why celestial bodies are spherical.
So, why are celestial bodies spherical? The Sun, for instance, is spherical. Mars is also spherical. Even the Moon is spherical. But why are they spherical?
In short, the answer is gravity. Gravity is in direct proportion with mass. The larger the mass, the larger the gravity. Gravity is a force that by definition attracts objects to one another. Gravity pulls towards the center of mass. Gravity also acts equally in all directions, which is why it pulls every object around it equally towards its center.
So then, if gravity acts equally in all directions, what shape would a planet be? What 3D object has the same distance from its center to its surface no matter what point you choose? That would of course be a sphere. And that's why planets are spherical.
Next, we're going to debunk why flat Earth theories are invalid. Among other issues, if Earth was flat, then gravity would be different depending on where you were. Let's look at it. Imagine the Earth was a plate if it was round. And this is the Earth's center of mass, which means everything is going to be pulled towards there. It's in the middle of the width, it's in the middle of the length. If you were on one of the flat sides of this quote-unquote plate, you'd feel significantly more gravity, meaning you'd weigh more, than if you were on the edge of the so-called plate, thus debunking flat Earth theories.
Now, even if we were to have a flat Earth, which we just said is impossible, it would actually eventually become a round and spherical Earth. Because here you can see on the sides of the plate, everything is being pulled towards the center, of course. So you start out with this nice flat Earth, this plate Earth, and eventually over time, the mass is going to be pulled towards the center, and you're going to have a slightly rounder, or rather slightly thicker, but still rather plate-shaped Earth. Now, the gravity is still pulling everything towards the center, and pretty much the sides that are closer to it are pretty much pulled in as much as possible, but everything else still needs to be pulled towards the center, and obviously it's still not round, it's still sort of plate-like. Now, given more time, it'll eventually become more round and more thick, because everything's beginning to settle around the center in an equally distant shape. And given enough time, it will eventually form a perfect sphere, and we would have our normal Earth.
Thank you everyone for watching. We plan on keeping a more consistent schedule, which will be to post every other Friday, so you can tune in then for new content. But until then, we will see you in the next video. Bye!